Frequency pairing. Turn on the remote controller. Start Potensic Pro app. Short press then long press the power button to turn on the drone. Then press and hold the drone's power button. Wait for the drone's LED indicator to flash green quickly, then release. Now the drone has entered the frequency pairing mode. Enter the app settings. Select a calibrate. Tap a repairing the drone. The 4 LED indicators of the remote controller are flashing. Now, the drone and the remote controller are automatically pairing. When the remote controller emits its D sound, and the 4 LED indicators turn solid on, it means that the frequency pairing is successful. How to pair the drone with the remote controller. Press and hold the video button on the remote controller. Then simultaneously press and hold the power button to turn on the remote controller. The 4 LED indicators on the remote controller flash to indicate that it has successfully entered the frequency pairing mode. Short press then long press the power button to power on the drone. Then press and hold the power button of the drone until the drone's LED indicator flash green quickly, then release. Now the drone has successfully entered the frequency pairing mode. The whole process of pairing takes about 30 seconds. When the remote controller emits its D sound and the LED indicator stays on, and the drone's indicator stops flashing green fast, it means that the frequency pairing is successful.